this, you crazy mother.
This is vlog number 5, and we are on an adventure to go sledding. You ready to go sledding, Lila? Are you ready to go sledding? Are you excited? Here's our sledding hill. It's not very big, but it's a hill big enough for a 2-year-old. Wanna go again?
Lila.
Can you say cheese? Cheese. Ready? And go slow. Woo! 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 Whoa! Uh-oh. Woo! Say yay, mommy! Yay, mommy!
One hour later.
Gotta stop for a quick errand.
"12 seconds later.
Do you see the kitty right there, Lila? Do you see the kitty? Can you say hi, kitties? Can you say hi? Can you blow the kitty some kisses? Mwah. Oh, there's a kitty.
Later.
Aw, that's Stuart. He's cute. Look at his little nose. He's a good little guy. Yeah.
Now be careful.
3 hours later.
Christmas shopping.
The next day.
Breakfast time. Can you guys say hi?
Hi.
Where are we gonna eat breakfast at?
No idea.
What's the place called we're eating breakfast at?
Maple Sticks.
Joe Sticks. What were you saying, Huddy?
Maple Crest.
That's
No,
right.
he's lying. It's Joe Sticks.
I stink. Hey, Lila.
What are you doing?
My vlog.
All the time.
That's how Rick feels about me playing Pokemon Go.
No, wasted.
Mason, no! Get off. How do you get off?
Honey, it's not a toy. It's for people who can't walk. Right? When their legs break and they can't walk. So we don't want to use it. Use your legs.
A few moments later.
It's going in the vlog.
Look at Daddy. Look at
Say hi.
She's just dancing. Woo!